As promised, I thought I would just do an extra video and share with you how I make my warm lemon and water in the morning. So, and then I've had lots of people that have asked me about nutrient rescue since I mentioned it on today's video. And so I'm just going to go through that quickly. So with my warm lemon and water, I have got a lemon. Yes, I paid a dollar for this. So I'm going to use it sparingly. I just cut off like a little end like this and then squeeze like that little amount into my cup. And then I might take that and do just to put a slice into my cup. Then I've brought some fresh ginger, which I got from the markets. You can buy it from the supermarket. You can buy it from Asian food stores. And I literally just cut off. That's quite a big slice. I would just cut more of that off like that, a slice. Remember I said this morning, just in case you didn't see it, I don't eat these lemon and the ginger. It's just the nutrients that are absorbed out of that I drink. Okay, so that's the lemon and the ginger. And then a cayenne pepper. Now, because I've been using this for so long, I can have, like that's probably an eighth of a teaspoon. I don't know, just a pinch. And I throw that in. If you're just starting out, like literally just go for a pinch. Then I've got a little bit of cold water in here, filtered water, which I pour into my cup, which is about up to there. And then I've got my boiling water and I put that into here. So I have this first thing in the morning and it's still quite hot. So I will let that cool down while I'm sitting down and just doing some reading and some other mindset work. So that's how I start off my day. So if there are any questions about how to do the warm lemon and water, don't forget, you don't want to have like half a lemon or like a full lemon because the acidity from the lemon is too, breaks down the enamel on your teeth. And I don't want that to happen. Some people are more susceptible to that than others. But if that is you, drink through a straw or just make sure that you drink a glass of water afterwards to wash away the lemon. Okay. Now, nutrient rescue. So let me know if there are any questions about the lemon and water and happy to answer anything. Now, I mentioned this morning about nutrient rescue because this is one of the prizes in the $189 prize pack that is up for grabs at the end of the week. The winner will be drawn on Friday. For those of you who don't know, this is a company that I have worked with for many years to absolutely swear by this product. It's the only product that I take. Otherwise, I'm just all about good, nutritious food. Now, this is a double shot powder, so it is a combination of organic dried fruit and veggie powders. So it gives you that intake of fruit and veggies that you can't get enough through your diet. It was actually founded by the guy who founded Cookie Time, Michael Mayer. He had a health scare a few years ago, and he then realised that he needed to dial up more fruit and veggies and dial down meat and dairy. And this is the way that he's helping people to do it. Okay, so I have one of these every single day. Someone else asked, when do I have it? Generally, when I remember, I'll have it straight, like after my hot lemon water and then before my breakfast, because that's ideal on an empty stomach. If I forget, then I might have it mid-morning or I might have it mid-afternoon. I have it with coconut water. You can put it into smoothies, you can put it into yogurt. There's lots of different ways that you can have it. But I just have it, when you order, I would recommend starting off with the double shot if you want to give it a go. Now, the benefits, you want to know the benefits. Really good for just overall health and well-being, really good for extra energy, just for mental clarity, really good for skin, acne, hair, nails, just that overall glow. And so many people rave about this product. Honestly, I can't rave about it enough. And just the testimonials that come from this product is phenomenal. It is seriously a awesome product. So I've got you can buy an extra a little container to store it in. So it comes in a powder. With your starter pack, you get a scoop and just throw the lid on, and it's super easy. And then I would just consume it like that. Now, does it taste weird? And probably I give samples of this on my retreat, and a lot of people go, oh my gosh, that's so easy to drink. Some other people go, oh, that tastes a little bit weird, or oh, that's foul. But it's actually knowing the benefits of it, in anything that is just pure, especially the veggies, which can give a little bit of a different taste. It just takes a little bit of getting used to. And as long as you know the benefits and what you're going to gain out of it, then you're going to be willing to give it a go. So super easy. You just store it. You can either store it in the fridge, or I just store it in the cupboard. And so if you are wanting to give it a go, for being a Wicked Wellbeing fan, I have got a 15% discount code that you can use, which you can use for first orders, but also subsequent orders after that. And so I posted it in the comments, in the description with this video above. And just give it a go. As I say, start with if it's the first time, start with the double shot starter pack, because that is most convenient, it's the most economical, and it's the way where you're going to get the best results. So again, if there are any questions around either of these that I've talked about, then just sing out. I'm going to have my second shot for the day, and I will be bouncing off the walls. Okay, I'll look forward to seeing you tomorrow at 12:30, and we're talking about how to do healthy eating when you are time poor and exhausted. See you later.